Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. First vacancy is from Central Warehousing Corporation. Name of post is accountant. Qualification asked is either a BCom or a BA Commerce or a CA or a CMA or SS accountant. Here age limit is 30 years. There are 9 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 3 years of experience. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 12th January 2025. So moving on. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of your examination. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. Website link and coupon code is mentioned in the description. You can check them. I wish you all the best for your examination. So moving on. The next vacancy is again from Central Warehousing Corporation. Here the name of post is Superintendent General. Qualification asked postgraduate degree. Age limit is 30 years. There are 22 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here per month pay scale will be in the range of 40,000 to 1,40,000. Mode of application and last date is same as that of first vacancy. So moving on. And next vacancy is from National Financial Reporting Authority. Here the name of post is Young Professional. Qualification asked is either a CA or a CMA. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 8 vacancies. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Friends, these are contractual job. You need to have 1 year of experience. Per month salary is around 70,000. Mode of application is offline. And you have to send an email to them at the mentioned email address. Last date is 10th January 2025. The next vacancy is from Bank of Baroda. Name of post is Senior Manager Business Finance. Your qualification asked is either a CA or a 2-time full-time MBA or PGDM in finance. Upper age limit is 37 years. There are 5 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 6 years of experience in business finance in large bank or NBFC. Per month pay scale is in the range of 85,920 to 1,05,280. Mode of application is online and last date is 17th January 2025. The next vacancy is again from Bank of Baroda. The name of post is Chief Manager Business Finance. Qualification asked is same as that of last vacancy, that is either a CA or a 2-year full-time MBA or a PGDM in finance. Age limit is 42 years. There are 5 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 8 years of experience in business finance in large bank or NBFC. Per month pay scale in the range of 1,02,300 to 1,20,920. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. So moving on. Friend, next vacancy is again from Bank of Baroda. Here the name of post is Assistant General Manager Business Finance. Here the qualification is same as that of last 2 vacancies, that is either a CA or a 2-year full-time MBA or a PGDM in finance. Here upper age limit is 45 years. There are 3 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. Friend, these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 10 years of experience. Here per month pay scale in the range of 1,20,940 to 1,35,020. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last 2 vacancies. The next vacancy is from State Bank of India. Name of post is Probationary Officer, that is PO. Qualification asked is graduation final year students eligible. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 600 vacancies. Place of posting is all over India. And these are permanent vacancies. No prior experience asked. Here package per annum is 18.67 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 16th January 2025. So moving on. The next vacancy is from Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer. Name of post is Lower Divisional Clerk. Here the qualification asked is graduation and knowledge of MS Office. Age limit is 27 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. Friends, is a permanent vacancy. You need to have 1 year of experience. Here package per annum is 4 lakhs approx. Mode of application is online and last date is 24th January 2025. And next vacancy is from Bharat Electronics Limited. Name of post is BCom Apprentice. Qualification asked is BCom with minimum 50% marks. Age limit is 25 years. There are 10 vacancies. Place of posting is in Chennai. Friends, here the nature of employment is apprenticeship training. Experience asked is nil. And monthly stipend is 12,500. Mode of application is that there is a walk-in interview on 22nd January 2025. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful. And I will see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.